Hi, I'm Geetika Batra, founder of Women Coach and Counselor Awards, WCCA, and we have performed this wonderful event today in Hyderabad with all the women coach and counselor community who are doing some amazing job in their respective fields, lifestyle, wellness, education, career, motivation. I promise that with the WCCA will go global, and this is not any other award selling model. This is a true recognition, a genuine initiative for all the unsung heroines, women coach and counselor community. Thank you.
Namaste, I'm Reena Hindocha, a yoga and wellness coach. Today I'm at WCCA Wellness and Coach Awards presented by Goldfish PR, and it's my absolute pleasure and honor to be here. Really grateful to Geetika ji for this recognition. Today I got to meet so many inspiring women here in Hyderabad, and I'm looking forward to know them more, and thank you once again for this recognition.
It was an absolute honor to be an awardee for the WCCA Awards. It's a platform where coaches and counselors are recognized. We are not your typical influencers on the gram, but we do create an impact in the real life. And to share this with amazing women who have inspired me today, I have no words, and a big kudos to Geetika and her team.
Namaste, it's such a pleasure to be here among so many women achievers. I'm Jayalakshmi Narayanan, a Bharatanatyam dancer and the founder of Jayalakshmi Narayanan School of Dance. I thank WCCA for honoring me with this award today. It is such an amazing motivation for all women, and we will continue to keep working harder and do something great for the society as we have been doing. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Anupama Dalmia, and I'm one of the awardees today at WCCA Women's Coach and Counselor Awards. I think this is a fantastic initiative by Geetika for acknowledging the efforts that mentors put into creating an impact. I think the best thing about mentorship is that you're able to impact a large audience, because when you mentor 10 people, they mentor other 10 people, and it just multiplies. And I'm so glad that in India, this is probably one of the very few platforms which is created solely for, the people who are into coaching. So I'm really glad, and it's been fantastic experience to meet some incredible women today who are doing great work. And yeah, kudos to women power. I always believe in the power of sisterhood, and I always say that's my favorite line, that when women come together and talk, we don't talk, we roar. Thank you.
Is there any time limit to it? No. Hi, I'm Nupur Agarwal. I'm a performance storyteller, story coach, and an author. I'm happy to be here to be awarded today for my work in the field of coaching and counseling. I thank Geetika Batra and team for this recognition. Now, I started off actually my professional journey in the wellness industry, but the birth of my daughters, changed a lot for me, and it led me to an alternative path where I discovered the transformative power of stories. So what started as a bedtime ritual actually led me to a career where I started coaching, counseling educators, parents, librarians, grandparents, caregivers on how they can harness the power of stories in their personal and professional lives. So I'm extremely happy to be here today, and and I look forward to more association with the organization. Thank you so much.
Congratulations, Goldfish PR and Communications for organizing this wonderful Women Coach and Counselor Awards. So this is just not a platform, but a platform for empowerment. And I'm Dr. Sangeeta Kosuru from Your Happiness. I am extremely delighted to be part of this event, and thank you so much for the honor. I feel such platforms like yours is doing wonderful job in empowering women and giving recognitions which most of the time go unnoticed. So thank you so much once again. Yeah.
I'm so excited to be a part of the second event in Hyderabad. I did attend the event in Gurgaon on 8th of March, and this is my second event, and I'm excited to bring this WCCA event in Dubai very soon. All the best.
And I am proud to be a part of WCCA. Adiva has been a core member, and we look forward to promoting more and more women so that we can encourage more and more women to grow and empower them in our own ways. Thank you so much for giving us all the love in Hyderabad.
ఈరోజు WCCA ఆర్గనైజేషన్ తరపున ఉమెన్ కోచెస్కి, ఉమెన్ కౌన్సిలర్స్కి ఫెలిసిటేట్ చేయడానికి ఒక చక్కటి ప్రోగ్రాం ఆర్గనైజ్ చేయబడింది హైదరాబాద్లో. ఈ ఆర్గనైజేషన్ వచ్చి ఢిల్లీ నుంచి, గుడ్గావ్ నుంచి, బట్ ఈ ప్రోగ్రాం వీళ్ళు హైదరాబాద్లో చేపట్టి ఇక్కడ డిఫరెంట్ ఫీల్డ్స్ నుంచి విమెన్ ఎవరైతే అచీవర్స్ ఉన్నారో కోచెస్గా, కౌన్సిలర్స్గా వాళ్ళని ఇక్కడ పిలిచి వాళ్ళని సత్కరించి మిగతా ఉమెన్ని ఎంకరేజ్ చేయడానికి చాలా చక్కటి ప్రోగ్రాం ఆర్గనైజ్ చేశారు. నేను ఈ ప్రోగ్రాంలో పాల్గొని వీళ్ళతో సంతోషాన్ని పంచుకోవడం చాలా ఆనందకరంగా ఉంది. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Well, this WCCA is a revolution, and Gitika has really done a great job to all the WCCA members. It's fantastic. The way women are doing their things and the way WCCA is recognizing them, it's a great thing for India. Thank you.
ఈనాటి ఉమెన్ కోచ్ అండ్ కౌన్సిలర్ అవార్డ్స్కు హైదరాబాద్ను ఎంపిక చేసుకొని ఇక్కడ ఉన్న స్త్రీ జాతిలో ఆణిముత్యాలను ఏర్పంచి వాళ్లకు ప్రోత్సాహం ఇచ్చేందుకు ఈ WCCA ద్వారా మనం ఎంకరేజ్ చేసి హైదరాబాదులోని వివిధ వర్గాలలో, వివిధ ప్రాంతాలలో నిష్ణాతులైన స్త్రీలను గుర్తించి వారికి అవార్డు ఇవ్వడము చాలా సంతోషకరమైన విషయము. ఇది ఇట్లే పెంపొందించి ప్రతి సంవత్సరం స్త్రీలను గౌరవించే మన దేశంలో స్త్రీ యొక్క ఔన్నత్యాన్ని కాపాడేందుకు స్త్రీలు అబలలన్న మాటను కాలము దిగమృంగి చాలా కాలము గడిచెన్. స్త్రీలకు గల దక్షత గని కాలమే జేలు పలుకు కాలము వచ్చెన్. ఈ కాన్సెప్టుతో మనము ఉమెన్ ఎంపవర్మెంట్ను ఎంకరేజ్ చేసేందుకు భారతదేశంలో సొగ జనాభాగా ఉన్న స్త్రీ జాతి ఔన్నత్యానికి పాటుపడుతూ మనం ఈ సమావేశాన్ని నిర్వహించాం. థ్యాంక్ యూ.